Hi everyone, I'm Joey Alonso. Welcome to my channel. So on this video, I want to share with you how to transfer the database of Acumatica to another storage. First of all, I want to discuss why do you need to do it, no? Why do you need to transfer database of Acumatica? First, maybe the hard disk where Acumatica was installed is running out of space. So in that case, you need to transfer. Otherwise, it will get crashed and your operation will stop. Another thing is maybe you just want to transfer the database to another machine, or maybe you want to transfer the database to NAS or network attached storage. So whatever is your reason, there's a way to transfer the database of Acumatica. Now, how to do it? So this is the topic of the video, how to do it. Okay, so first you need to go to the SQL server, which is now you can see on the screen. You need to know, of course, where is the database of Acumatica, which is normally this is the name of the database when you create the instance for Acumatica. Okay, once you determine the database, like in this case, this is ACU 2020 R1. So this is the one I created when I installed when I create the instance of Acumatica. And then the next thing you need to know is where is the file is located. So in order to do that, you just go to the properties, and then on the properties you go to the files. Then here you'll see that there is a folder. So in this case, it is actually located in the program files, Microsoft SQL Server, data. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so inside my hard disk, which is on drive C, it is located in the Microsoft SQL Server. This is actually the default, no? Whenever you install SQL Server and you create a new database, this is actually the normal, no? But of course, you have the option to select on which folder you want to save your database. Okay, so in this case, these are the two files. So normally there is MDF and then the log file, no? So this is the database and this is the log file. Okay, now how shall I transfer now the database from drive C to drive D, no? Here I have another hard disk, no, which is actually external, but it can also be internal or whatsoever, no? The thing is, you want to transfer the database of Acumatica. Okay, so how do I transfer from drive C to drive D? First of all, you cannot just copy this and put it here, no? First, what you have to do is to detach the database. So from here, you click right click, and then on the task you go to detach. Okay, so once you click detach and then you select here, so you can also click here drop all connection if there are some active connection. But of course, it's preferable that you need to do this when no one is using Acumatica. So preferably you do this at night. Okay, so when you click now OK, so the database will now be dropped. No, not drop, but rather detach. No? Drop is different, mean it will be erased. No? So as you can see, it is now it is not listed anymore on the list of database. Okay, so it is dropped. Now since it is I mean detach, not drop. Sorry for always saying the drop. Okay, so when you detach, you can now copy this or cut it. Let's say I will cut it from here and transfer it in another storage. So I will cut it here and put it in drive D. So let's say I will put it in the folder external data. Okay, So I'll put it here and paste it here. So continue. So it will of course take some time depending on the I mean the size of database. So hopefully it will not take so much time. So once it is transferred, you will actually do attachment. So you will attach it again, but this time you will attach it from the drive D. Okay, so at that time when it is already transferred, so as you can see it is now transferred, no? If you look at my drive C now here, no, in the drive C, wait, I'll go to drive C and then program files, SQL Server here. So as you can see, on the data, you cannot see the data of Acumatica anymore here, the physical data. So it's now transferred on another storage. So what you will do now, inside the SQL Server, you can now attach that database. So you go to database and then right click, attach, and then from here you need to add an MDF file. So in this case it's actually located in drive D here. So it's in drive D, and then external data, which is here. Okay, so when I click OK, so it will now be added here, and then click OK again here. So it will now attach. Okay, so as you can see, it's now attached again on the SQL Server, but this time if you go to the properties, it's now the database is now located in the drive D, no? Wait, I'll go to properties, and then on the files here. So as you can see here, it's now on the drive D. It's not anymore on the drive C. So in this case you are now safe. Now if your drive C is running out of space, or maybe it will be damaged soon, so you are now safe. No? Your data is now located in another storage. Okay, so as you can see, I was able to do it without reinstalling Acumatica. In just simple step, I was able to transfer the database of Acumatica. So just to prove that Acumatica is still functioning, if I go to Acumatica now, which is ACU 2020 R1, that is the instance that I have. Okay, so of course, as you have experienced on the first loading of Acumatica, it will take some time, no? But hopefully here it is now. So I can now log in. So I log in as admin, and of course password is AVC, which is normal. Okay, so here it is, no? So the Acumatica is functioning as normal, as if nothing happened, no? If I go to the sales order, everything is there, no? All the transactions that I have entered are still here. In fact, I have here the one I created on September 11, 2020. So still here. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something about Acumatica. In case you encounter this kind of problem, so now you know how to do it. Okay, so if you have enjoyed watching this video, or if you learned something, please click like and also subscribe to my channel uh, in order for you to receive more updates, no, from my video, because I'm planning to do more videos similar to this, no, uh, not only in Acumatica but maybe also in programming. I want to share my knowledge with you. Okay, okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.